you guys? Landsora is back with another video, and this time we're doing my cute little floppy Mia. We got her this blanket. This one's my blanket. This one. And, well, yeah, we're gonna... Are you shaking your tail? Looks like she's twerking under there. Yeah, anyways, you can have behave. She say hi to the camera, Mia. Oh, she's so cute.
She's a Siberian.
Mia, yeah. Mia, do that cute face you do.
Wait.
She's just looking at the camera. Wait, Mia, back at me.
She loves the camera.
Oh. Straganona. Hold on, default. So tight.
She's a warm.
She's an outside dog, but we decided to bring her inside because she's so cute.
She loves her new blanket.
Sorry, that was cute though. Mia, what would you do to my cat video? Hmm?
She doesn't do like this.
You guys know you like my.
Give me the blanket. I'm cold.
You love my cat. Yeah, I know. You love my. You don't. You love people and you love everything.
Hmm?
No, it's my. What did you?
Like that.
Oh. Hope you know Mercedes watches this. One of my subscribers.
Ow!
They have friends. Nice one, Mia. Nice one. Mia, look at the camera. Look at it again. Mia. I can't whistle because it's so cute. Mia. Your ears are like... Sorry, guys. Oh, my gosh. I uploaded the Star Wars Battlefront episode again, but... I have this thing with my YouTube channel. I can't upload videos longer than 15 minutes. Sad face. I would just want you to know, if you watch the FJ Bros, my friend Luke's channel, he loves it. I think that is awesome. And you guys would love it. Mia, look at me.
Oh, your paws are all wet.
Hey, you there. Mia.
Stop looking at my private part. Yeah.
She's laughing. She's in.
Yeah.
Look at the camera, Mia. Look at the camera. Look at the camera, Mia. Be a camera girl. Don't you want to be on YouTube?
Mia.
Mia. Why can't you be like other YouTubers? Why can't you be like other dogs? No.
Mia, house, Mia. Ow.
She's like, no, bitch.
I love you.
Well, not fish, more like fish. Because she likes fish. She likes meat. She eats her meat alive. Mia, look at me.
Watch this. Ready? What you do? I disappeared.
I can see her, though. Mia, what do you think of the...
Ah!
Look at me. Look at that. She's like, no, bitch. Put that back on me.
Put it back on you.
Jeez, what you doing, girl? What you do? Mia, shake.
Me shake. Mia, shake. Good girl. Good girl.
After we tell her to, she doesn't stop. Stand by you. Oh, nobody hurt you.
Mia.
Anyways, guys, I just wanted to show you my puppy. Okay, Mia. As the finisher, look at the camera. Be snazzy. 3, 2, 1, and... No, I'm not ending it until you look at the camera.
Come on, Mia.
Please like and subscribe to this video, guys, for my puppy dog. She's looking... Get your hand out of the shot. Okay, I'll take that as a yes.
Ow, you...
Anyways, you guys, I hope I get that aiming right. Thanks for watching. Oh, gosh, I looked horrendous. Jeez. Okay, there we go. I hope it looks good. Anyways, thanks for watching, and bye-bye. I can't end it, guys! It's the video apocalypse. They said this day would come, and I'm just kidding. Anyways, bye!